Hello again, YouTube. So I've gotten the third volume of the British Progressive Pop Sound series, and I've gotten some, and this is next set I have covers 1972 too, and a lot of big names in here like Van de Graaff Generator, Roxy Music, Argent, Straubs, Rarebird, The Move, The Moody Blues are on here too. Nazareth, let's see, we got Slade, Mott the Hoople, Caravan, yes, The Electric Light Orchestra, Free, Family, Uriah Heep, Trogs, Bonzo Dog Band, Nidus Farn, let's see who else, Thin Lizzy, Status Quo, Hawkwind, Roy Wood, Trapeze, Andromeda, Jade Warrior, Curved Air, Kevin Coyne, Bond and Brown, and Pato. So a lot more big names on this one. One right here. And a very good mix too. Roxy Music is on here too. Yeah, I probably did. Didn't mention Roxy Music. So anyway, I forgot it. This is what I got. And I'll be leaving a link to my last video, and also the links to my first 3 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to all at YouTube, have a good evening.